In this video, I will be going over how to create tag types in ServiceTitan. First thing you are going to go to is your settings. So hit the gear icon on the top right of your screen. Now we will pan to the left side and you can search for the functions here. I found the easiest thing to do is type in a portion of what you need. In this instance, we need to find our tag types. So I simply typed in tag, and now I will select tag types. Here we can see all the current active tag types that we use here in Boston Budget Plumbing. But say we need to add one. All right, so let's go ahead and try this. Select the button that says add. And now we're going to do a color. I would suggest that if it's something urgent, something very important, that you make it like a bright red, a bright yellow, something that's going to pop out on the screen. In this case, I am simply going to make a tag to show our technicians that this customer has um, a furnace, a gas furnace. Instead of a boiler for heat, we're going to say they have a gas furnace. So I'm going to just make this this muted color. The name of the tag, and you can do a code. I've gotten in the habit of just making the, ooh, dear, of making the code name the name of the tag. It's easy. Here we can set the importance. All right, so if it was something like an urgent tag that you had marked red, you can go ahead and change its importance here. This is just to show what type of equipment the customer has. So I'm going to leave the importance set to medium. Conversion opportunity, we are hardly ever going to use this. So for now, we will disregard. If I need to revisit that in the future, we will. And then this icon, if you hover over the information, it will say that enabling this function will make sure to show the tag in the jobs trays tag column. All right, so I'm going to show you that. Otherwise, the tag will only show when on the job when you hover over it. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So let's go ahead and select to show it on the dispatch board. And we're going to save it. Adding your tag is done. So what it means by showing it on the dispatch board is down here, right? So if you haven't selected that, it will not show up here on your tags in your job tray. It will only show up by hovering over the job. I personally like to see everything. I'm nosy, so I do like to add it to the dispatch board. All right, that is it. Thank you so much.